Hello, George here, and today I'm going to be showing you an easy tutorial where you can host and publish your iWebs website for free. That's about the Apple Mobile Me subscription, which they want you to pay to host your website, which is $69.99 in the UK, and I'm going to show you a way today where you can save that money and still host it in a reliable database. So first of all, we're going to go over the applications you're going to need to do this. First of all is iWeb 09, which is in iLife 09, which should be preloaded on your Mac if you bought it after iWebs and iLife was released in 09. Second application you're going to need is an application named Dropbox, which is seen here. You're going to download that from www.dropbox.com. All you're going to have to do is set up an account and drag it into your application folder, which if you're using Mac you already know how to do. And then what you're going to have to do, if it hasn't already done it on mine luckily enough, but you're going to want to find Dropbox by searching in the window here on Finder, and then drag it. If it's not already in your places, drag it to your places so it's underneath documents, for example. You're going to want to do that. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to open up iWebs. I've already made a brief website here using basically what Apple already gives you when I choose this road trip example here. All I've done is added GNT UK, but all this is Apple's stock, which they just put on the websites to make it look nice. So once we've done that, once you've got your website set up, you're going to want to click on the little folder next to the name of your web page, which you should have already selected. You're going to choose local folder, the name of your site, which you want to call it. So for example, I'm calling mine tutorial web page, but you want to call yours whatever your website's got to do about, or you want it being called. You can leave the contact email, and this is where we're going to choose to store it. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose public. This is where my folders are currently holding my website, GNT UK. I'm going to make a new folder. Just going to call it tutorial, create, and choose. And there we go. And that's all up and running. Down here below you can just make a http www.tutorialwebsite.com. Not sure if that's any use, but I've always done that and it works like that. So now we are going to publish site. Continue. This is just our content rights, but of course I've used Apple stock, so it's fine. And there we go, and we can even visit the site now, just to show you it works. There we go. That's just using one of my Dropbox folders to apply this to my Safari. And there we go. Alright, so now what we want to do. Open up Finder. Go into the Dropbox, which should be there. Into Public, which is where you saved it. And there we are. We have the folder which we just created, tutorial. And index.html, that's the one you want to find. Okay, right click. Now Dropbox, and then copy public link. Want to click on that, and you can get rid of that from there. Now, it's how we're going to host it. So where we're going to go to a site .dot.tk. Okay, so here you have rename a long web address URL into a real domain name. This is totally free, reliable, hosting my website at the moment. A lot of other YouTubers are using this. So we're going to just copy paste it. There we go. And then next. As you can see, that's all working very well. Here is where we're going to name it. So within reason, you can name it anything as long as it's available, but it's going to be .tk, so we're going to call it, let's just call it something random. DFGHJKL, going on my keyboard. Just going to type these characters in. Obviously, a lot of websites have these now. Let's just hope I get it right first time. There we go. Okay, so once you've filled in all your information, web address, renamed to, and type your characters which you see there, you're going to want to click on email address as required, and this next here, which is an also register for a domain name, but you get to make changes, which I'll show you how to make the changes in a minute regarding back to the iWeb, and you're going to want to click next. You're going to have to fill in some details like your email address and probably a few other information like your name, second name, but this is a very trustworthy website, so don't be worried. And then that will take you to a page such as this, where it will take you to your profile page. You can go on My Domains and check your domains. You can, I believe for a small fee, you can change it to .com instead of .tk, which I'll be doing when I get more visitors to my webpage. But for now, I'm fine with .tk. But now I'm going to show you how to update the website. So on iWebs, so as soon as you make changes, you can click what I'm going to show you, and then it will transfer the changes straight to your website page. So there's no need to do this all again. Once you've done this once, that's it. That's all you have to do, and all you're going to need to use is iWebs from there. Dropbox, you won't need to use that unless you want to register another domain name. But for now, all you're going to need is iWebs to make the changes. So I'm going to log out of there quickly. I'm going to close down these windows, and then we're going to open up iWeb. Did it not show again? See, this is what they want you to sign up for, Mobile Me. But obviously we're going to save all that money. And then here we are again. This is obviously our web page. And then say we make a change. So we'll do GNT UK. Hello, please subscribe. There we go. And file and publish site changes from file, and that's it. Once that's done, you'll be able to access your website again through the domain name that you've chosen on .tk when you've signed up for that, and then that will be it. You'll be able to open this, change it whenever you like. When I update my blog, I do this, and then straight away, there's no delay, it's straight on the web page. So thank you for watching. I hope it's helped you. I know it's quite difficult getting used to iWebs when you first get it, and learning how to host websites, but it's a very easy method which I've found, and works great, very reliable. So yeah, once again, thank you. Please subscribe. There's going to be loads of videos such as this one, just explaining how to do stuff for Mac users, new or old Mac users. So yeah, please subscribe, really helps me out. Thank you. You can visit my website, Twitter, whatever, contact me, send me a message, and down below I'll add some more info down there where you can contact me. Once again, thank you.